Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming ownership and the exact rights you control. First, locate registration or creation proof. This establishes priority and strengthens your position. Once done, list the specific rights you need to fix, reproduction, distribution, or licensing, and note any existing agreements that limit those rights. Make sure to timestamp and consolidate evidence into one folder. This speeds enforcement and negotiation. Doing this now avoids wasted steps later and gives you clear leverage for the actions that follow. You then reach out to the infringer with a concise, documented demand explaining your claim and desired remedy. Begin with a friendly license offer or takedown request. This often resolves issues faster and preserves relationships. Once informal contact fails, escalate with a formal notice that cites registration, includes evidence, and sets a reasonable deadline. Make sure to record every response and use certified methods when appropriate. Because documented negotiation is often required, if you later pursue legal remedies, you finish by selecting the enforcement path that matches stakes and costs. For online uses, file a platform DMCA or equivalent takedown with your evidence and keep copies. Platforms usually act quickly. For unresolved or higher value infringements, send a formal cease and desist or pursue small claims or court action with an attorney. Make sure to negotiate settlements that include clear terms and future use limits. If something goes wrong, preserve originals and metadata immediately to rebut any counterclaims and maintain credibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.